YouTubers. So I am at Jebel Hafeet, which is in the UAE, and I have come to the mountain range, and just in front of me is Hazar Mountain, which is part of Sultanate of Oman, while I can see it right from the UAE. This is so picturesque and so amazing. Hey there! So this one is for the people who love nature, the nature lovers. So if you like to go out in the nature, this is the place you must visit in the UAE. So it is the mountain range known as Jebel Hafeet, almost 3,000 feet above sea level. And on my right hand you can see the beautiful mountain range. I will definitely recommend this place to the nature lovers and the outgoing tourists and travelers. If you're coming from Dubai, it is just 2 hours drive from there, and it is located in the Abu Dhabi Emirates. So if you are in Abu Dhabi, then it is easier for you to come. If you are visiting Dubai, then do take some time out, maybe a day off, and come to this amazing place and experience the natural wonders that the UAE offers to the travelers. So cheers! नमस्ते दोस्तों। तो अगर आप लोग परिकल्पना कर रहे हैं दुबई आने का, तो ज़रूर कुछ समय निकालें और इस बेहतरीन जगह पे आएँ। ये है बिल्कुल यूएई और ओमान के बॉर्डर पे, बहुत ही हसीन वादियाँ हैं यहाँ। अगर आपके पास गाड़ी है तो ये 2 घंटे की ड्राइव पे है ये सुंदर सी जगह। अगर गाड़ी नहीं है तो नीचे लिखा विवरण पढ़ें और बुकिंग करें और प्रकृति की सुंदरता का आनंद लें। And that's such a beautiful view of the sunset from this viewpoint. It's also known as the BBQ area in Jebel Hafeet. और अब हम जा रहे हैं नीचे की ओर। नीचे दिए गए विवरण को बहुत ही अच्छे से पढ़ें। वहाँ पे सारे लिंक दिए हैं मैंने, जहाँ से आप टूर बुकिंग कर सकते हैं, होटल बुकिंग कर सकते हैं और सारी डिटेल्स भी पा सकते हैं। YouTubers, do check the link below, the descriptions below. If you're planning to come to this place, then you can get all the necessary information as well as the links to book your tour, your hotel. Hope you guys have really enjoyed this travelogue of mine. So do subscribe to my channel for more high quality videos like this one. जबल हफीत के ऊपर और 2 वीडियोस हैं मेरे जो आपकी स्क्रीन पे हैं. इन्हें क्लिक करें, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें और देखते रहें मेरे ट्रैवलॉग्स.